Hi friends, it's Mr. Corbett. This is the Rattlin Bog, and today I'll be going over a tutorial of all the movements for the song. The song is a cumulative song, which means that as we add each verse, it gets a little bit longer each time. So we'll go over the chorus part and all the verses, and I'll show you all the movements. So the beginning starts off with the chorus part, and you guys can either do a cross step if you like, or you guys can move your arms just like this. And the chorus part goes like this. Hi-ho, the Rattlin Bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. Hi-ho, the Rattlin Bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. Then we go on to our verses. We will start with the tree and then we'll add them all up as we go along. So the first verse goes like this. Now in this bog there was a tree, a rare tree, a rattlin tree, the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. Then after that, you'll sing the chorus part again. Hi-ho, the Rattlin Bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. Hi-ho, the Rattlin Bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. After that, we will add on the limb. So we sing, now on that tree there was a limb, a rare limb, a rattlin limb, the limb on the tree and the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. Chorus again. After the limb, we add on the branch. Now on that limb there was a branch, a rare branch, a rattlin branch, the branch on the limb and the limb on the tree and the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. And you sing the chorus again. After we sing the branch, we move on to the nest, and it goes like this. Now on that branch there was a nest, a rare nest, a rattlin nest, the nest on the branch and the branch on the limb and the limb on the tree and the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. And the chorus again. After nest, we add on the egg, and it looks like this. Now in that nest there was an egg, a rare egg, a rattlin egg, the egg in the nest and the nest on the branch and the branch on the limb and the limb on the tree and the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. And you sing the chorus again. After we are done with egg, we add on the bird, and it looks like this. Now on that egg there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattlin bird, the bird on the egg and the egg in the nest and the nest on the branch and the branch on the limb and the limb on the tree and the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. And then you sing the chorus again. And last but not least, after we have the bird, our last verse is the feather, and it looks like this. So we start with, now on that bird there was a feather, a rare feather, a rattlin feather, the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch and the branch on the limb and the limb on the tree in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh. And then you sing the chorus again. So as you can see, the song is quite long and it does go a little fast, so please practice all of your parts, work on your movements, and practice singing slowly so that way you get the words matched with the movements. All right? I'll see you all next time. Have a nice day.